I will explain all the steps that you need to know to start investing in a Fidelity Roth IRA. To get started, go to fidelity.com, log into your Fidelity account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and just create one. The first thing I will show is how to open a Fidelity Roth IRA. We can easily do that by clicking on Products, Retirements and IRAs. Scroll down until you see this section about Roth IRAs and just click Open an Account, and then click Open a Roth IRA. On this page, you should see all your info already filled out. If it's not for some reason, go ahead and just fill out all of the fields. Once your info is all filled out, the last step is to scroll to the bottom and just click Open Account. If there are any more prompts, just go ahead and follow them, and now you successfully open a Fidelity Roth IRA. The next step I will show is how to connect your bank with Fidelity. That way, we can transfer money from our bank account to our Fidelity Roth IRA and start using that money to buy investments. On the Fidelity homepage, just click Accounts and Trade, Send Money from My Bank. From the dropdown, click Add a Bank or Recipient. Select the first option, Myself. Continue. Fidelity will send us a code to verify our identity. I will go through that process now. On this page, we have two different options to link our bank account. The first option is the easiest, where you just log into your bank. And the second option, you can connect your account by entering your account and routing number. In this example, I'll show you the first option, so I'll hit continue. Click next. Depending on what bank you're trying to connect, go ahead and just choose it from this list and follow the on-screen instructions to successfully connect your bank account. Once you've connected your bank account, back on the Fidelity homepage, we'll just repeat the steps and go back to account and trades, transfers, send money from my bank. From the dropdown, select the bank that you just connected. For this option, select your Roth IRA account. For this option, just select one time if you want it to be a one-time transfer. If not, you can select recurring. It should default to the current date. Specify the amount you want to transfer. In this example, I'll just do $1 and hit continue. The last step is to hit submit to successfully transfer money from your bank account to your Roth IRA. The next step I will show is how to use the money inside your Roth IRA to buy investments. On the Fidelity homepage, hover over this tab and then click Trade. Specify the type of investment you want to make. In this example, I'll just do a mutual fund. Select your Roth IRA account from this dropdown. In this case, I'll just do this example. For action, click Buy. Enter the dollar amount you want to buy. In this case, I'll just do $1. Preview order. And the last step is to click Place Order. Now you successfully bought investment inside your Fidelity Roth IRA. The last step I will show is how to set up automatic investments so you don't have to manually do this step every single time you want to buy investment inside your Roth IRA. On the Fidelity homepage, go to Accounts and Trade, Transfers, set up a recurring transfer, create new activity, investment, specify the type of investment. I'll just do a mutual fund example again. Select your Roth IRA, type in the symbol of the investment you want to make. I'll just use this as an example. Specify the amount you want to use. In this case, I'll just do like $10. Select how often you want the automatic investment to happen. In this case, I'll just choose monthly. I'll just select the 15th. Specify when you want it to start. I'll just leave it as today's date. Click this option to use a linked bank account. If you check this option, the money will be pulled directly from your bank account, which allows you to fully automate this process. If you don't click this option, then you need to make sure there's money in your Roth IRA before this automatic investment takes place. If you don't have enough money in your Roth IRA, then an automatic investment won't work. You can avoid that situation from happening if you just click this option so that the money is pulled directly from your bank account instead. From the dropdown, just click the bank that we linked earlier. Click Preview, and the last step is to confirm. Now you have set up automatic investments into your Roth IRA. That is the end of this Fidelity Roth IRA guide.